Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we'll show you how to bleed power steering system, power steering pump. If you have done any repairs on the power steering, let's say you replace a pump or a hose, or you replaced an engine or transmission like we did and we had to pull it out, you have air in the system. So what happens every time you disconnect the hose, you have air. That air, if it goes in the pump guys, and you start the car, it can damage your pump, even break a hose, and you're going to end up paying quite a bit of money. So it's important to bleed the power steering system right. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to do it guys without using any special tools, just anyone can do it. So let's go ahead, start on it now and see what you need. Okay, so we need to have one person in the car, okay, and we'll show you why in a second. Second, you need to make sure that the tires are all the way in the air. The front tires, the turning tires of the vehicle guys need to be all the way up. You can see this one here as well, and we'll show you what to do. Never start the car. Okay, next we are going to fill up our power steering fluid reservoir there, okay, to the full, and you have to use power steering fluid that is designed for your vehicle. Not all fluids are the same, okay, so let's go ahead and add some, see if we're going to make a mess a little bit. We have many helpful videos guys, please subscribe, let's grow the channel together, be part of it, let us know what you think. Okay, so we're gonna wipe it a little bit here, the mess that we made already. So it's full now. Okay, let me show you, that's the fluid there. So what we will need to do now, don't start the car. You need to start turning the steering wheel all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Okay, you can see now all the way to the left, and when it locks, you go all the way to the right. And you're going to hear, okay, you're going to hear the air coming out of the power steering system. You can even see it. Listen now. Okay, that's more air. Okay, a little bit more now. And you need to check your power steering fluid once in a while, because it will take it. Okay. That is a big chunk of air. So you need to go left and right guys, probably about at least 3 to 5 minutes. But in the meantime, check your fluid level, because every time you get air, fluid goes down. Okay, you can see it's working pretty good so far. And that way you don't have any pressure on the hoses, on the power steering, because the tires are in the air. So it's super easy to turn it even without starting your vehicle. You can see. Okay, still keep turning. Okay, so we're gonna stop now and we're going to check the level to see if it went down quite a bit. Okay, let's see what we have now. And ours is below minimum, so we still need to add more. Okay, you can see it was full all the way and now we're below minimum, so we need to just add a little bit now. Okay, don't fill it up all the way now, because the closer you get, if you fill it up too much, it's not good either, so you need to take it out if it's too much. Okay, ours is on the minimum, so we'll just add a little bit more now. And we'll go a couple more times, and then we're going to go ahead and proceed with the next step. So stay with us guys, we'll show you what you need to do. Okay, let's check what it is now. It should be okay. It's to the max, so that's great. A little bit below max. Okay, so we're done inside now. We don't need to turn the steering wheel anymore. Okay, make sure that the vehicle is on jack stands, not just on the jack. Okay, we're taking it down now. We don't need it in the air anymore, so we're just going to go ahead and take it down. Okay, first we need to go up a little bit so we can release the jack stand, and then we take it all the way down. And that thing is pretty heavy. It's about 4,400 pounds, I think. A little bit above 2 tons. Okay, it went down. So make sure you check the channel, guys. We have many helpful videos that relate to any vehicles. Also, World Mechanics, our main channel. Now we can actually go ahead and we'll start the car now. Okay guys, so we can go ahead and start the vehicle now. Okay, turning the power steering. Everything sounds good. You can see no air at all. We have lights on here, but that's because of a faulty ABS module, traction control module. We have a repair video on that. So that'll be the whole procedure, guys. Make sure you do it right. After driving for a little bit again, stop and check the power steering level, because it might take a little bit more, and next morning check it again and then you should be fine. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.